Hello, this is Jaynes with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson in Spokane, Washington. Welcome to Eagle Point. The Eagle Point Architect Committee has paired up with Spokane builder BryTech Construction to pre-approve 2 floor plans. These floor plans are not set in stone, however, any plans will need to be approved by the HOA Architect Committee. This can be coordinated through me, the listing broker, Jaynes. Eagle Point is a private 3-home development. Each homeowner shares 1/5 ownership in the conservation between the rear of the lots and the lake itself. The builder has already also agreed to finance the build rather than buyers having to qualify for a construction loan. A conventional loan or cash would work to get everything started with a deposit. One thing to keep in mind, these lots are not for mobile homes or storing an RV or camping without a home being built. However, if a home is built, you can park your RV on the property. There's an HOA fee of $50 a month for common area maintenance. Common areas consist of open grass areas from behind the lots 1, 2, and 3 to include the conservation. There's a private boat launch, dock, and trails around the perimeter of the development. Each home comes with its own designated boat slip. Thank you so much for taking time to take a look at these 2 lots. If you have any questions, call me, Jaynes with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson at 509-279-4885. Thank you.